Welcome back to another VFX tutorial for GameMaker, and today we're going to do some really easy way how to create rain on the screen, and it's really fascinatingly easy and it's out of the box, so no coding, no nothing, just a few knobs and then and boom, we got ourselves finished. So if you're up for the challenge, then stick around. So as you can see, we got ourselves a neat little level and we want to create rain on the screen. For that we can actually use and abuse our new particle system. So here, particle system, just create one, call it whatever you like, it does not really matter, and then it instantly opens it up. Not what we want to have. We open the inspector to change the parameters inside. So here, this emitter thing, we click on this and then get tons of knobs and buttons and things which you can change and press, and we want to maybe check out if there is a preset for rain, and so select particles, and yup, there actually is one. So this is pretty decent. Of course you can have it just having by one line, but let's actually do this on an rectangle. Make it a little bit bigger here so we can actually see this. As you can see, this box, and then what we need to do is basically face plant that thing into the room. For that, let's make this smaller. For that we just say like, hey, create a new asset layer, and then just drag and drop that thing in here, and then you will see instantly it does work. If not, you're not having you're not playing the animation, but as you can see, we got those bling this icon here, and then we just drag it wherever we like to have it. So here, and then maybe downwards, it does not really matter, and then we can actually hit play, and as you can see, looking good if the game is like 10 times bigger, but now not what we want to have. So we just go into our particle here and edit a few values, but not too many. So first of all, we need to make it much smaller, so we just reduce the scale from 3 to 1, 0.3. Once again, change the values according how the game would look better for you, and then we change the size to 0.5 to 0.1. Once again, it needs to be really small. As you can see, it is really small right now, which is good. So I like the way it goes, because pixel art, well, you just need really small lines, which are just the preset, and then because we ain't seeing nothing, let's ramp it up to 50, and then more stuff flying downwards. Well, because rain is kind of flying downwards, and as you can see, we already achieved our goal. And if you're thinking, oh sweet, that was easy, can we change a few more things? Yes, we can. Well, we can just once again go and click on our emitter, which we are customizing, and then let's say, but I want my rain to go, let's say, downwards or to the left. No problemo, we just change our direction, and then we just, I don't know, turn the knob somewhere here, and then we're going in that direction. And of course we need to change our image of the rain towards something like this, because it's, as you can see, going where it's supposed to be. And then let's check it out into the room. Yep, looking good. Of course, a little bit more of tweaking necessary. Yeah, but it's already looking pretty sweet. And this is pretty much it. This is what you want to have. And of course, if you're thinking, but this is now overlapping everything, no, I don't want that. Well, then just drag it below your tiles. For example, here. And now it's behind all the things, and all the things which are important are still crisp and nice, and everything else is just in the background. That's pretty much it. As you can see, super easy to do VFX in GameMaker, and the invisible border is here. Alright, hopefully that was of interest to you, and stick around for more VFX tutorials on the fly. That was it from my side. Have a good one. One up indie.